Hello and welcome to this video. We will be downloading and installing MongoDB for Windows. The link to the MongoDB site is displayed on the screen. This is the MongoDB site. So to download, you click on the community server and then just scroll down. Make sure you've got the Windows tab selected, and in the version bit it tells you what version it's got there. Windows Server 2008 release 2, 64-bit and later with SSL support. If I click on the drop down, there are other options here for you to install. So if you download this MSI, it's going to download the version listed. If your version is not listed, you can use the binaries, and there is an instructions there for you to follow if you decide to use the binary version. I haven't got any of these, so I'm going to go for the versions that suits my operating system. So I'm going to click all binaries. If you have matching, if your version matches what's listed, just click on the download MSI. The process of installation is the same, so don't worry. Click all versions, and here it will give you a list. So just select the version relevant to your operating system. I have got a 32-bit operating system, so I'm going to go for this one. However, it's a slightly lower version. The current version is 3.4, this is 3.2, but they work the same, so don't worry. Make sure you download the latest if your operating system can accommodate that. So I'm going to go for this one, and that's it, downloading there. Give it a few minutes to complete. So if your system can accommodate this 3.47, please go for that option. Once your download is completed, double click on the MSI installer to begin the installation. You get an option to run, click to run, and just click next. You just have to accept all the default and make sure you select complete installation and click install. If you get a security prompt, just click yes to allow for the installation to continue. So that's it, the installation is now finished. So we have successfully installed MongoDB. We can take a quick look at where it was installed. So if you go to your computer, it will be on your C drive under program files, and there should be a MongoDB. There you go. So this is where it has installed it. So inside that directory, there's a folder called server. Click on that. Inside that, you get your version. If yours is 3.4, it will say 3.4. So click to go into that folder. You should see another directory called bin. Click to go in there, and this is where you'll find all the files for the MongoDB. So it contains both the server and the client. The two most important files are the second and the third, the mongo.exe and the mongod.exe. The MongoD, D stands for daemon. This is what starts the server, and the Mongo.exe is kind of like the command line for interacting with Mongo. So in the next lecture, what we're going to do, we're going to set up the environment variable to make it easy for us to access the Mongo files. So that's it for this lecture. Many thanks for watching. Bye for now.